Understanding a fading flower, an English idiomatic expression. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and poetic phrase in the English language, a fading flower. This phrase is not just about plants, but it's a metaphor that's often used in literature and everyday speech. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations. First, let's break down the literal meaning of the words. A flower is a plant that is often admired for its beauty and fragrance. The word fading here refers to something that is losing its strength, vitality, or brightness. So, a fading flower literally means a flower that is wilting or losing its beauty. In a metaphorical sense, a fading flower is used to describe something that was once beautiful or valued but is now losing its attractiveness or importance. It's often used to symbolize the transient nature of beauty, youth, or even life itself. This phrase can be found in poetry, songs, and literature to convey a sense of melancholy or fleeting beauty. Let's look at some examples. 1. Describing aging. Like a fading flower, her youth and beauty slowly diminished with time. 2. Ephemeral nature of success. His fame was as short-lived as a fading flower. It disappeared as quickly as it came. 3. In literature, you might find sentences like, "She walked through the garden, observing the fading flowers, a reminder of the impermanence of life." You can use this phrase in your daily conversation to describe something that is losing its charm or importance. For example, this old mansion, now a fading flower, was once the jewel of the neighborhood. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, a fading flower, and how you can use it to add depth and beauty to your language. Remember, English is full of such picturesque expressions that make it a rich and vibrant language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.